This glow-in-the-dark solar system puzzle was a huge hit in our house. My son loves space, so he was immediately excited about this one, and he's almost 4 and did really well putting it together. The puzzle has 70 large pieces that feel sturdy and are easy for little hands to pick up and connect, which made it fun for him to work on without getting frustrated. One thing I really liked is the circular design. It feels perfect for a space theme, and it also makes it a little different from the usual puzzles. As he was putting it together, he was pointing out planets and talking about space, which made it feel both fun and educational. It was challenging enough to keep him engaged, but still very doable for preschoolers with a little focus. He stayed interested the whole time and was really proud once it was finished. And once the lights go out, the glow-in-the-dark feature is such a nice bonus. Seeing the planets glow was such a fun extra surprise that made my son want to admire it all over again. Overall, this is a great screen-free activity that combines problem-solving, learning, and imaginative play. If you have a space-loving kid and want a puzzle that's a little different from the usual rectangular ones, this one has been a really fun addition for us.